guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a what's in my bathroom video for you guys so that you guys can see all the products that I keep right on hand. Here we go. Okay, so in here, this top shelf is pretty much only silky scrunchies and just because this is what I use in my hair while I sleep. And then I have a couple of face masks. I have the Pharmacy Honey Potion and the Herbivore Brighten. Here I have my Kate Somerville Eradicate Drying Lotion, Floss, Aspirin, current nail polish color on my toes. I also have Flonase, which is just over the counter. You can buy it wherever, and it is excellent for seasonal allergies. I have my beauty blender. I keep that in here, and I keep these plastic, or well, they're paper bowls, and I use those to mix my Aztec healing clay mask in with the apple cider vinegar. I have this little bowl here on this next shelf that just holds all of my hair ties, clips, and bobby pins. My husband has his hair gel, razor, and hair comb thing. He also has aftershave, his electric razor. I have this NeilMed wound wash for my piercings, and then this whole mason jar here is just full of different face masks. Oh, I forgot I had these. And I bought these EcoTools brow brushes. I mostly bought it for the spoolie because my Sonia Kashuk one is on its last leg. I'm gonna keep that out because I need to put that somewhere else. And that's all for my medicine cabinet. On the counter, me and my husband keep our toothbrushes. He keeps his deodorant and then our hand soap. And then I have this basket over here that has all of my most used products. So in here I have my Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Lotion. This is amazing for body and face. I have my Diva Curl Styling Cream, which I'm currently using on my hair. My current body lotion, which is the Bath & Body Works Winter Candy Apple. A cleanser, the Glam Glow Tropical Cleanse. I really am liking this one. It's a daily exfoliating cleanser. I have my Saturday Skin Hydrating Facial Mist. This stuff is amazing. I'm almost out. I need to repurchase it. My Ulla Henriksen Glow 2.0 Dark Spot Toner. This stuff is also incredible. Love it. This is the Brazilian Crush by Sol de Janeiro. It's just a body spray. I like putting this on just every once in a while when I'm feeling funky. I'm gonna put it on right now. Then I have my deodorant, which I use the Old Spice Fiji. Tea tree oil for my piercings. This is the Way Wave Spray for my curls. That's what I use mostly on my hair instead of heat. The Aveda Cherry Almond Softening Leave-In Conditioner. This is just like a little sample that I need to try sometime. And then my Tatcha Pure Camellia Cleansing Oil, which I use to take off my makeup. And lastly in this little basket is my Argan Oil of Morocco Extra Penetrating Oil, which I use on my dry hair if I need a little revamp. All right, I had to take you guys off of the tripod to show you guys. Hopefully this isn't too much, but down here, right here, I have a little tray with all of my skincare products in it. So I have my Murad serum, my Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow, Drunk Elephant Protini, Laneige Sleeping Mask, Philosophy Eye Cream, Lip Exfoliator, Tatcha Face Mask that I'm currently using, Biossance Eye Cream, Drunk Elephant Lippy Balm, Bacitracin, Bite Agave Lip Balm, this Morphe Foundation Brush that I use to put on my face masks, and the Sunday Riley Juno Face Oil, and this cute little headband. And then you guys should be familiar with that makeup bag. I have my everyday makeup bag down here and my everyday makeup brushes, my hairspray, the Aussie Sprunch, and my dry shampoo. And then in here in this basket, I just have a bunch of miscellaneous stuff, mostly hair. So I have hair clips here, Johnson Baby Shampoo, which I use to wash my makeup brushes, teasing comb, Big Sexy Hair Powder Play, a hairbrush, teeth whitener back here, self tanner, hair masks, hair defrizzers. This is the Living Proof Defrizz. So good. And back here I have an extra hand soap and my husband's bars of soap. That's all I keep in there. In here we keep Q-tips, cotton pads, my most used self tanner, an extra dry shampoo, face wipes, washcloth, microdermabrasion thing, build-up buster. In here in this bag I have tampons And this is just my husband's like protein and travel toothbrush. And then down here, it's a bunch of miscellaneous stuff. Hair tools, alcohol, nail polish remover, coconut oil, that Aztec healing clay that I was telling you guys about, cotton pads, feminine hygiene pads, apple cider vinegar, hair extensions, and in here I have some extra skincare products, toothpaste, razors, deodorant, and that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment and subscribe if you have not already. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!